Question is, what is ozone depletion, causes, effect and remediation? So under introduction you can write what is ozone layer. So ozone layer is the region of stratosphere that absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiation coming from sun. This shield layer present in the stratosphere. Okay, and the gradual thinning of this earth ozone layer due to the pollution caused by the human activity called the ozone layer depletion. This should be your small and sweet introductions. So under cause, second point is cause. So what is the cause? Here you can write chlorofluorocarbon. So here you can write this reaction also. Chlorofluorocarbon when react with ultraviolet radiation lead to the formation of nascent chlorine. When that nascent chlorine react with ozone lead to the breakdown of O3. If you want to write the proper reaction, I have written that reaction in the red pen. So you can see chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFCl3, when react with UV light lead to the production of CFCl2 plus 1 nascent chlorine. This nascent chlorine is very notorious. It ultimately react with O3 lead to the formation of ClO plus O2, and ClO plus O lead to the production of O2 plus again nascent chlorine. That nascent chlorine take part in breaking the O3 again. So this kind of chain reaction take place and ultimately ozone layer depletion. ओजोन की वहाँ पर क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है और ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन वहाँ पर हो जाता है. सेकंड रीजन इज नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड लाइक NO, N2O, NO2 is also responsible for the ozone layer depletions. So these are the two causes for the ozone layer depletions. You can write here, this thinning to ozone layer has prominently seen in Antarctic region of the earth. Where is the Antarctic region? It is South Pole region. The human and other organisms are directly in contact with ultraviolet radiation, so changes of skin cancer, skin disease have increased. Also sunburn, cataracts, weak immunity, skin aging absorb. So here is the first effect. Secondly, in other animals also affected by UV radiations. Means in other animals you can write food chain and food web is also adversely affected with the UV radiations. In third thing, in plant life also UV radiation change the rate of photosynthesis, flowering patterns and process and growth. Means here you try to circumscribe your answer in human health, also in food chain, food web and also in plant life. This might be sufficient. Okay, so you're supposed to give remedies. Third point is our remedies. So what should be the remedies? Remedies should reduce the use of ozone depleting substance like chlorofluorocarbons and hydrofluorocarbons, which generally we use in the cooling industry. Third, minimum use of fossil fuel, use cycle, electric vehicles, CNG should be used for transport. Third point can be reforestation and deforestation preventions. Okay, ये तो यूनिवर्सल पॉइंट होता है, हर जगह पर इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, रिफॉरेस्टेशन एंड प्रिवेंट द डिफॉरेस्टेशन. Fourth, use eco-friendly cleaning products. And fifth, government should strictly follow the law and regulations of Montreal protocols. So such kind Montreal protocols is the protocols which was carried out in the Montreal, which is one city in Canada, in 1987, where the government, intergovernmental panels and all government were ready to reducing the minimum use of the cooling effect, that is the chlorofluorocarbons and hydrofluorocarbons, which ultimately leading to the thinning of ozone. So like this way, and fourth, if last you like and if you have time you can write the conclusion also.